Hi, everybody. This is Advocate Lucinda, your empowerment lawyer. Someone wrote me and asked me, well, how do you find case law on the motion to dismiss? And since the motion to dismiss is coming up so much in my feeds, and it is a very critical motion, I thought it was really worth taking the time to provide you with some information that will help you to address this matter. Okay? So let's get started. Okay, let me remind you that I am a federal litigator. I file lawsuits based on violation of the United States Constitution. So as a federal litigator, it's important that I understand the circuits. There are circuit courts in the United States. Here we see 11. Now, why is this important as it relates to conducting research? Because you want to research cases that are in the district or the circuit in which your lawsuit or the lawsuit that you're contending with is filed. For example, I am licensed in Michigan. Michigan is in the Sixth Circuit. So let's say that I'm responding to a motion to dismiss from a lawsuit that's filed in Michigan. Well, in my response, I'm going to file case law for Michigan. I'm going to file case law from Ohio, Kentucky, Tennessee. I am going to include these cases from these states, these individual district courts that are in the Sixth Circuit. Okay? You'll see this more clearly when we conduct research. Yes, we're going to actually do research. And let me also say that this particular map is available to you, as you will see. As an attorney and a member of the Michigan Bar and the Georgia Bar, I'm also a member of Georgia. I'm licensed in the state of Georgia. I have access to their law libraries. That's something that a pro se would not have access to. But this particular map will be very helpful to you, as you will see. So let's do this. You are the plaintiff and you're looking for a case on the motion to dismiss to respond to the defendant's motion to dismiss. Now, remember previously we looked at a map and it laid out the various circuits and the district courts in each circuit. You want to find a case that is in your district. For example, I am licensed in the Sixth Circuit, which includes Michigan, Ohio, Kentucky, and Tennessee. Now, remember, the court has to have jurisdiction. Let's say I want to find a case in Michigan. I could find a case in either one of these states, Michigan, Ohio, Tennessee, okay, and Kentucky. So let's do this. You're going to click Michigan, and we're going to go here, and you simply type in keywords. In this case, we're going to type motion to oops, D-I-S-M-I, to dismiss, talking to myself here, and include Sixth Circuit, because that's the circuit Michigan is in, or that's the circuit that I'm dealing with. Okay, and that's the circuit where the lawsuit is filed in one of these courts that's in the Sixth Circuit. Okay, so we're going to hit search, and you see, so this first case is of Florida, but if you go down, you see this case here, Sagan versus United States, and it has to do with the motion for summary judgment in this case, but we're looking for a motion to dismiss. Here we go. And you're going to have to search. You're going to have to read. It's going to take some time, but you'll need to do this in order to effectively respond to the defendant's motion to dismiss. But here's a case here, Woodstock Care Center versus Thompson, and you see here motion to dismiss. It addresses that issue. This next case addresses motion to dismiss. You are going to need to click on the ones that appear to be useful to you and read them. Read them. Okay? I have provided you with the link to this map, the map that we actually just conducted research on. You will be able to conduct research. And let me say, you are not limited to cases that are in a particular circuit, although you do want to include those circuit cases. For example, the first case that we saw was from Florida. And even though Florida is in the 11th Circuit, it still might be useful to you, and you may want to read it because it dealt with motion to dismiss. And also United States cases. Bell Atlantic Corp versus Twombly, for example, if you look above, is found at 550 U.S. 544 and page 570, and is a 2007 case. I call this a model case because it really gives you a good understanding of the motion to dismiss and the standard that the court looks to in rendering a decision on the defendant's motion to dismiss. So I trust this has been helpful to you. And as I always say, be empowered.